Oh my god, that face. Oh. Oh god. Ferocious. So mean. Oh. Oh. Oh no. You have already started the war. Oh god. Don't fall. Now we love. Good boy. It's the start of a new work week. I got my coffee. Let's do this. Hey guys! I'm working on a new plush that I doodled up. It's a manta ray. You know, like the sea creature thing.
Flap flaps. It's a flap flap.
It's a flat flap. And I think it would be easy enough for me to do. And I'm really excited, so that's what I'm working on. Bye. But yeah, I've cut out all my pieces. I just have to finish cutting them out and trimming them right. Tonight I'm working on Etsy orders and all that good stuff. First, I'm going to put new stickers in my folder. I've got a ton that don't have sleeves yet. So I bought a new package of trading card sleeves. So that's what I'm gonna do. Put those in here and then file them away. But yeah, okay. It says it has like 312 sleeves, so that's enough for like 312 stickers. Yeah, I've got to count how many I've got. I've got so many stickers, y'all, and I don't sell some of them in the store anymore because of trying to take fan art out of the shop. But I'll still sell like mystery bags on Etsy of stickers, and those will probably have lots of fan art in them because I only sell fan art at like conventions or through Instagram or maybe storenvy. But I don't do that on Etsy anymore just because they're cracking down on fan art. So I'm trying to do that to the best of my ability. It's really tough. This is all stickers. Every single slot is a different sticker. And some of them I couldn't fit in here. So there's even more. I've got to resize them. Hopefully fit them in here because I like having them all in the same area. I've got a few that are just in a shoebox in little baggies that I can't fit in here. It's pretty thick. Pretty thick. I have a Magikarp. Baby Magikarp hat. guys, so it's been a while since I filmed that last clip, but today I'm working on a new video for the channel, like an art actual voiceover video. I've already done 2 of the 3 pages, if I even finish the 3rd. I think I'm just going to do 2. I might end up doing 3 depending on how long it is, but we'll see. Just wanted to give you an update on what I've been doing. I've been watching a lot of the Bailey J 24-hour live stream. She's doing a 24-hour live stream because she hit 1 million subs on YouTube, which is awesome. I love Bailey J. You should go sub to her now. Yeah, she's going to be streaming for 24 hours raising money for a kitten adoption place. So go check out her channel and subscribe to her on Twitch. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe for more, and let me know what you think in the comments below if you're interested in seeing more art books in the future. I love doing them and I've really enjoyed it so far. Bye guys!